What to do when you sign up your Cookidoo account at incorrect region. Please sign up your Cookidoo account at the URL cookidoo.international. If you accidentally sign up your Cookidoo account at the wrong URL, you will get an error message with code C665 when you try to log in to your Cookidoo account on your TM6. If you would like to switch your Cookidoo account from another region to cookidoo.international, please send an email to request for support for your account to be transferred. Email subject line: request to switch Cookidoo account from Australia or US or Taiwan to international with the following information in the email: your full name, your full residential address, email address of the Cookidoo account, password for Cookidoo account, cookie serial ID for TN5 user. Hit send. Generally, the process of transferring account takes several working days to complete. Please be patient and wait for a reply. A switchover of account will result in all saved data in previous account to be deleted during the transfer to a new account in cookidoo.international. You will have to research your favorite recipes to bookmark or add to collections.